How to export Canva to PowerPoint? So you can export like video animation, GIF animation, GIF file animation, or text animation. So in this video tutorial, we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my simple one-page presentation. So let me preview it. So you can see this is preview. Okay, so there is a two method you can use if you have simple presentation with GIF file. Okay, then you can use simply go to the share and go to the see all, and you can download as a Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so it's maybe work, it's not 100% that the file will be work, your animation file will work, but it's maybe work. You can download as a Microsoft PowerPoint, and let's you need to check it if it's animation work or not. Okay, okay, so okay, so second method is if you are using the video animation, GIF animation, or text animation, or any other animation effect in your design, then you can use the one method that will be 100% work. It is like trick. Okay, so what you need to do, just go to the share, and we need to download that presentation. I have only one page. If you have multiple page, you need to download it one by one. Okay, so you need to download as a mp4 video. Okay, and download one by one page. Don't download all page at once, it will be download as a one video. We need to separate video for every page, every design. So download it. So it will download in your device. It will be take few seconds. Okay, it has download. Let me check. Okay, it's let me. Okay, so this is a video file we just downloaded. So now we need to go in PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm using the web PowerPoint. So let me create the blank presentation. Okay, you can delete this. Now select that first page or slide, come to the insert. We need to go in video, this device, select that video file, open it. Okay, this is a video file. Now you need to hit the key shift button on your keyboard, and just make sure it is fit to the page. Fill this design to all this page. Okay, it's done. Now this is our first slide. So same, if you have multiple slide or design, you can add one by one here. After that, go to the preview, present. So you can see this slide, it is not automatically play, we need to click it. Okay, let me insert one slide here. Okay, so come to the insert, I just insert the one slide. Okay, so this is our video, this is a blank slide. So let me take it at first. This is a blank slide, and this is our video slide. Okay, so let me start presentation. So okay, once I start, when I click, it will be start as a presentation. But when it's come to the next slide, yeah, on video, it won't play. So we need to click again to play it. Okay, so if you want to play it automatically, so we need to make one change. Select that slide, select that video. Okay, go to the animation, and here click, make sure is existing animation effect. Come to the start and click on after previous. Okay, and you can also go to the video option, make sure this outline clicked. Okay, just click on this no outline. Don't need outline on video file. Okay, now if I preview this and start the preview, the video file will be start automatically, and the timestamp the of this video will be visible, okay, while presentation. So this is how you can make the, export the exact animation design from Canva to uh, PowerPoint. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.